Guys, whoever seen the thumbnail and came into the video, you guys saw the right thing. Yeah, you don't want to study 4 years of B or 3 years of B Tech or 3 years of diploma to grab your job which you can build your career in strong way. No, you don't want to this. Your 6 months is enough. Not even 6 months. If you are concentrated or if you have a dedication of your time, you can grab this. You can complete this course within 2 months of time. Yeah, Google announced the Grow with Google plan, which is helpful to any beginners or even you are a working profession. If you have time to study, you can take this course and you can change your career towards something gonna big and great. So let's see what is the course. And I have taken that course. I am doing diploma in mechatronics third year, final year, and in this lockdown we have the time to study a lot because we have the 24 hours free, right? Okay, you have some online classes. After the classes you may have 10 hours, right? In this 10 hours, why can't you separate some 4 hours to study, and which hours will make your future better? Yeah, you can do, right? Yeah. So, and this video will be a turning point in your career or in your life. And those who completed your schooling and looking to how can I start my career, what course I want to study. Yeah, this video, please go through the full video. I will be showing my desktop screen and how to enroll, if you are facing the financial issues, yes, you can apply for financial aid. In the sense, the Coursera, some of the team will be paying your fees. You don't want to pay the single fee. And if you are studying, you have the university or you have the student mail, you can log in through the student mail so that you can get this offer for free. So let's get started. How? And I'm making this video, so many of them not aware about this, and now I'm taking the data analytics course. In this 1,20,000 people are enrolled, and I hope most of them are non-Indians. Yeah, we are in the group, most of them are non-Indians. So I'm making this video my Indian brothers and sisters to grab this offer, please. Yeah, let's get started.
This is Grow with Google. I have given the link for the page in description, and I have said on 5 courses, right? You can see here IT support and ad analytics, project management, UX design and Android development. It's absolutely free. You just have to pay 6,500 while writing the exam. Let's go and see the data analytics certification. Yeah, data analytics is the high demand certificate. So I recommend everyone to take this. You can see $60,000 you will be paid when you complete this course, and Google only do the hiring process and help you to place. You can see I have already enrolled and I am doing my 5th week. Here you can see what are the skills you will get. You can get the skill in SQL, Tableau and spreadsheet, data cleaning, data mining, all you will get. And 130 clients are there for Google to place you, and they will be giving the training how to attend the interview. You can see it is a fully beginner level certificate. Approximately it will take 6 months, but you can complete it by 2 months. And I have enrolled day before yesterday, but I'm spending 10 hours per day. So I have completed week 1 to week 5 in 3 days. These all are professional certificates, so you will be known as, if you once completed, you will be called a professional in that segment. This is IT support professional certificate, beginner level, first one is, and the second one is IT automation with Python. If you know something about Python, you can take this course for your advanced career. Or beginner level, I will recommend the first Google automation. Just enroll, and I will show in this course how to get the financial aid, because financial aid is for one who can't pay the fee, or you have facing the issue with finance. You have to give the financial aid. and you will get the approval within 15 days. Yeah, within 15 days you have to wait. Once you applied, you have to wait for 15 days. These are the process to apply the financial aid. I will give the paragraphs in the description. You have to fill some reasons why you are paying, why you are approaching for financial aid, and how you can build your career successful by taking this course. Or if you can pay the loan amount in EMI, can you pay in low interest, give no, and given all the things in the description. This is the project manual. Let's see UX design. This is the one of the high demand course. This is user interface designing. Whatever you can see, $58,600. It's nearly 40 lakhs per annum. Yeah, every basic course is having the salary of 40 lakhs per annum. Then you can take 3.5 lakh per month. See, already 84,000 enrolled. For getting the course for free, or if you have the student mail ID, just you go to the for students and give your college or your university mail here to get the student campus Coursera subscription, and you can get the one course per year free. You just link your, if you don't have the account, create with this account. And the Android development course is fully free. This is not tie-up with Coursera. You can study in your web itself, Google providing. And let's get started. And this is the high paid job, one of the high paid job, $81,000. It means per month you will be getting 6 lakhs. Yeah, per month you will be getting 6 lakhs. But demand of the job is something low, because already Android developers are much more in Google is the known for Android. So let's see how to start this Android development course. This you will be get the free. Only thing is, this is the Kotlin language. This is Google developing language, one of the most preferable language for Google to develop the Android. If you want completed, you can go for the exam, apply for the exam. For the exam only you have to pay the money, which will be around 6,500 rupees. If you prepared, you can take the course for free, and once you completed, you just paying for the exam, and you will be getting the salary of 6 lakhs per month. Yes, these are the courses what I have said. Android development, which sector you have in interest, you do. I have selected data analytics, and they are covering the from basic, so I can explore anything easily. And only thing is, you have to have some English knowledge. These are the companies you will be here once you complete your certification successfully, so utilize it.